How to create a Discord server, quick and easy. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial in how to create a Discord server. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will go to discord.com and you will land on this platform right here. Discord is a very famous chatting and a community platform where we can create different servers and be the part of many servers out there. So how to create your own server on Discord? It's actually really easy. Once you sign up for Discord with your email address and set up a password, it will open it up. You can open it on your phone or maybe on your laptop or PC. If you have different servers already joined, then you will actually have to scroll all the way down to your servers. So once you get right here, you can see at the very end, you will get an option of add a server. Click on it. And now we can create our own server. We can create like our own personal server, gaming server, school club, or study club. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create my own server. Now, if it's going to be a club or a community like NFT community, we have many communities out there on Discord, or you just want to create a server for you and your friends. So I'm going to create one for me and my friends, and then it will take you right here. Customize your server. You have to give your server a name. So I'm going to call it friends. Once you're done with the name, you have to upload an image. So just click right here and select an image from your computer. So I have selected this image. Now I'm gonna click on create, and there you go, you have your own Discord server. So this is my server name. Click on this option, a drop down will appear where you will have your server settings, channel creation, categories, privacy, edit server profile, and more. So now we can create some text channels and voice channels for friends. To invite your friends first, then you can invite them from here if they have a Discord, or you can copy this link and share on other social media to invite your friend. Once they join, then you can create the channels. We have first a text channel. Click on create channel here and you can create a text channel such as for games. Click on create. This is going to be a text channel where you can chat. Then let's create a voice channel where you can actually voice chat with your friends and call them. Let's call it chill zone. Perfect. We can also add some server bots to help our bot work efficiently. And this is how you can create a Discord server in minutes. And this is how you can go ahead and create your own Discord server very easily. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to Software Made Easy.